Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the channel Saleha'sZone. डियर ऑडियंस, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो की जानिब बढ़ने से पहले चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। शुक्रिया। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here's a speech for Father's Day. Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, today we gather to celebrate a very special person in our lives, our fathers. Father's Day is a day to honor and show appreciation for the men who have played a vital role in shaping us into the individuals we are today. To all the fathers here today, I want to say thank you. Thank you for being our rock, our guiding light, and our inspiration. Thank you for your unwavering support, your unconditional love, and your unrelenting encouragement. You have taught us the value of hard work, discipline, and responsibility. You have shown us how to face challenges with courage and resilience. Dear audience, Father, you are our heroes. You are the ones who have been there for us through every triumph and every struggle. You have helped us to grow, to learn, and to thrive. Your influence has shaped us into the people we are today, and we are forever grateful. So today we celebrate you. We celebrate your love, your wisdom, and your unwavering commitment to our well-being. We celebrate the memories we have made together, the laughter we have shared, and the lesson you have taught us. Dear audience, to my own father, I want to say thank you for being such an amazing role model. Your kindness, generosity, and compassion inspire me every day to be a better person. I am so lucky to have you in my life. Let us all take a moment to appreciate our fathers, grandfathers, and father figures who have made a positive impact on our lives. Let us show them how much we appreciate everything they do for us. Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. Thank you so much, dear audience. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.